roundup on Prince Mnangagwa TV. Today, the 20th of May, 2023. So, guys, presidential spokesperson George Charamba has said President Mnangagwa has delivered more than Zimbabweans asked for after the government purchased 32 planes from Russia. Posting on Twitter, Charamba said government critics demanded that authorities should provide ambulances to public hospitals, and air ambulances have been brought. Said Charamba, "You asked for ambulances and we delivered helicopters for more lift power. We have delivered air ambulances and emergency rescue helicopters. We steadfastly delivered on our promises while answering to our people's needs. #ED delivers, #ED works." ZimLive reported that the 32 helicopters were acquired from Russia's sanctioned state arms company at what appears to be inflated prices. 18 of the helicopters were officially handed over to President Mnangagwa at RGM International Airport in Harare on Thursday. 12 of the helicopters were designated as air ambulances and 6 were assigned to the Zimbabwe Republic Police (ZRP). The helicopters were reportedly delivered at a cost of $10 million each, amid claims that the true value of each plane is $2.5 million. The majority of Zimbabweans who responded to Charamba's tweet expressed outrage over the move. Reason Mpanga said airlifting patients to where and to do what kindly start by equipping hospitals with basic medication, example paracetamol. Guys, that's the latest here. Yes, panoitika nyaya idzi kazhinji kacho vanhu veruzhinji vanenge vasingafara nezvinhu zvichiitika. Reason why is because mafigures anenge achitaurwa kunzi takatenga mahelicopter nemari yakati kana kuti motikari nemari dzakati, unotoneka kutoti maprices acho anenge atori 3 times or 4 times higher than the normal price atinenge tichiona painternet. And so we're going to be keeping you guys up to date here with the latest on weekly news roundup, and we still want to get a clarification from the government kuti vakatenga here kana kuti vakapowo vakadoneterwa. And yes, they need to come out and tell us kuti zvakafamba sei zvakamira sei, because pa social media zvikutonzi vakaspend almost 200 and something million US dollar for those helicopters. I mean, it's a lot of money that could be used kutenga mishonga ndokuvako amwe manew hospitals kune dzimwe nzvimbo dziri remote like kubinga ukombeto general hospital kubinga yekuti inokwanisa kubatsira vanhu vemunharaunda vanogara ikoko. But anyway, we'll be keeping you guys up to date here with the latest on weekly news roundup on Prince Mnangagwa TV. Vacharamba vari kuti you asked for ambulances, we delivered my helicopters. And saka tiri kufamba nayo ndima Mnangagwa ari kuita zvavakapromisa muna 2018 vari kuzadzisa. And saka it's going to be also an angle which ZANU-PF will be selling the ideas to the electorate pama elections ari kuya muna August this year, muna 2023. Of course, chakanaka chese vachange vachichitaura pama campaign anenge achiteera manje. They are politicians at the end of the day. Weekly news roundup on Prince Mnangagwa TV. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and follow, and turn on the notification bell. Bless up.